Alright guys, it's Skate's Gonna Skate here, and I was going through my stuff and I realized that a pro Minecraft player, Build of the Day, actually contacted me. And gave me his address and stuff on YouTube. So that's really cool. I'm really happy about that. So I'm finally becoming a big shot on YouTube. I'm getting messages from from pro Minecraft players. Build of the Day does stuff like he built the Capitol building and all that stuff.
He did not.
So it was pretty cool. Yes, he built one too.
I know, he built one, but the one he reviewed was Gattaca AE's.
Alright, anyway,
Yeah, this
whatever.
is Concave Games.
Christian, be quiet back there.
Okay.
Build of the Day, if you're watching this, I'd like to give a shout out here saying thanks. I'm really happy. I thought I was not going to make it that far on YouTube, but you're giving me hope. So, that's really all I had to say. Skater's Gonna Skate. I'm out. Peace.